do that, hopefully I can zoom in a little bit, is to look on the line, where does it cross in the corner of a box? So like right here, it crosses in the corner of a box. And then if we follow the line, it crosses again in the corner of a box right here. And then if you draw a straight line up and then a straight line across to the next point, you have made a right triangle. You can see that this is 1, 2, 3. And you can see that this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is rise over run. And so, which one do you think represents the rise, the 4 or the 3? The 4. The one that goes up and down is always going to be the rise. And then so 4 goes on top and 3 goes on bottom. And so in your spot here, you type in 4 over 3. You always want to make sure you reduce. What should happen is after a while, you'll start to get good at these. You should be like, oh, there's a point there, there's a point there. Here's where they would make the right triangle. This is 4, this is 2. You now have 4 over 2, which reduces to 2 over 1. Hopefully you get to the point, well, right there's 1, right there's 1. 1 up over 2. So 1 over 2. You should get to the point where you're really good at these and you see 3 over 1. It just takes practice. And then again, like it crosses in the corner there, 3 over 2. It crosses in the corner here and here, so 2 over 1. This one is up 2 over 3. This one is up 1 over 2. This one is up 3 over 2. This one is up 1 over 2. This one is up 1 over, or I'm sorry, up 2 over 5. This one is up 4 over 3. And you should get done fairly quickly. When you finish this one, you're going to go back to this page and you're going to do IXL 8th grade AA1. It's the exact same thing. The only difference is before we were just working with one quadrant. With this one, you're going to go to working with more than one quadrant as you get to a higher level. See how there's more than all the graphs there? You do it the same way. You find it crosses right there in the corner. It crosses again right there in the corner. It goes up 2 over 1. And so you would just type in 2 over 1 every time. And if you want to use a